Okay, let's do this. Now it should be easier, right? Okay, that's much easier. Last one. What I did, I used the wrong socket. It should be 18, not 19. Okay. One leg, the other leg. Okay. Back. Not even. I need to start here. This one, this one. Because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to install everything. This one is so I had to replace this one. Go. Perfect. It's sitting. Finally I can start doing it. So it's easier if you lean forward the chair. Now let's do the last piece. Second to last, actually. We still need to remember about adding nuts. Okay, one. Two. Perfect. Okay, one thing which I forgot about is seat belts, and they were supposed to be somewhere over here. The question is, Where are they? Doesn't look like one. Okay. This one looks promising. We have oh yes. Woo. Perfect. Found it. Okay. I think now's the time to just clean it up quickly. I do have the nut, and I do have this one screw, which is here, so we can immediately install it. Perfect. Okay, so this one goes here. Then we have one which goes here, and I need to screw it in place. And then we're gonna move this one over here. So 18mm socket. And now Torx 47 goes here. Double check with the other side. Okay, the other side do have the same slack, so after screwing it in, I consider it done here. Okay, and the last piece of the puzzle, which is the Torx. Over here.